Hey everyone, Crypto Cafe here. I hope you guys are good. I've got a wicked upcoming 100x polka dot gem for you guys to put on your radar. Before I go any further, just to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I am a crypto lover. So anything I tell you, please do your own research. Okay, cool. If you haven't already, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also join my Patreon group where I'll be letting them know about all these gems and upcoming gems that are going to be coming up very soon. And they always find out first. So I always try and tell them first, of course. And of course, I don't always have time to make videos for everything, but I try my best. Okay, let's just jump straight into this one because this one's a really exciting project, which is going to be powered by Polkadot, which already is exciting. Okay, so how it's going to work is this is Ruby.io. So this gem is called Ruby, and it's going to be building a cross-chain cryptographic infrastructure for data monetization. Okay, let's go straight into a bit more detail so it sounds a lot more understandable about what I'm talking about. Okay, cool. So the whole privacy, what they're going to do is it's going to be the whole privacy monetization, okay? Okay, so how Ruby Protocol is going to work is going to be a monetization framework based on functional encryption powered by Polkadot, as mentioned before. So how it's going to work is the design and implementation is going to be data monetization, and it's going to serve a privacy layer interacting with smart contract platforms. Okay, privacy is so important in this whole crypto game. A lot of people care about privacy. It's something that is very important. It's something that people strive for. It's something that people really care about. And that is what Ruby Protocol is going to do for the whole altcoin gems, and that's why this is going to be an altcoin gem that can do super duper well. Okay, so it's going to enable end-to-end encrypted data monetization on public blockchains such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and decentralized data solutions. Okay. So that's how it's going to kind of work. And then with the whole decentralized data monetization framework, it's going to serve as a second layer middleware protocol, and it's going to interact. It's going to be like an interacting module. So basically, the framework will enable data owner to enforce a fine-grained access control policy over the encrypted private data. Okay, and it's going to use functional encryption. So with a decentralized data cloud platform, it's going to be a decentralized open platform for like personal private data exchanges and pricing, for example. So with that, you can share predefined computation results and private data. So it's really going to help with the whole exchange for economic like compensation, for example. It's going to have some really great features. So let's go into the features. With Ruby Protocol, with the data monetization, it's going to be based on functional encryption powered by Polkadot, right? So the design implements fine-grained data monetization framework, serving as a privacy layer with smart contract platforms. So it's going to be easy to like do the whole end-to-end encrypted data monetization on public blockchains like Ethereum, yeah? Okay, so with some of the features, as mentioned before, it's going to have the whole attribute-based encryption. It's going to have community-driven governance. It's going to have security and decentralization. Not to mention, it's going to have true interoperability. I can't really pronounce that word, but basically what it means is it's going to specifically be built for the Polkadot ecosystem, specifically focused on data monetization based on functional encryption. Okay, as mentioned before, it's going to be community-driven governance. So basically, how it's working is going to be sophisticated governance system where all stakeholders have a voice. Everyone's opinion, anyone that's like involved and owns a stake of it, their opinion is valued. Okay, so token holders are able to vote for the protocol upgrades and like changes that are going to happen, such as the primitives. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Not everyone does that. Not all gems do that. So that's pretty exciting, right? Okay. Also, multiple case. Basically, they're going to have multiple user cases, and security and decentralization super duper important. What Ruby Protocol is going to do, the operators are themselves stakers and validators system on Ruby Protocol in the future. So they're going to really take security and decentralization very seriously. Okay. In regards to components, Ruby Protocol will implement a second layer middleware protocol running on Polkadot that enables individuals to monetize their private data in a fine-grained fashion. Okay, so the delivery will include 4 core components. And these four core components are going to be Ruby cryptographic library, and that's going to implement the inner product functional encryption and all that good stuff. And then we've got Ruby substrate module, and that is going to be implementing the whole encryption of cryptographic keys and all that good stuff associated with like zero knowledge proof and all that legitimacy. Okay. And then Ruby micropayment scheme, which is going to be running on a Polkadot blockchain, and it can allow individual users to monetize their data, okay? And not to mention Ruby token Ruby, and this is going to be the native token, as you know it as Ruby protocol, which will play a role in the governments and the utilities and all that kind of good stuff, okay? When you guys have time, definitely go through the website and definitely look at the token economics so you can understand the whole staking, the governance and incentives that are going to take place on Ruby protocol. Use cases, the fact that patient-controlled electronic health records, decentralized data cloud platform, access control of data management, open data marketplace, decentralized encryption, private micropayment, and digital wallet, which is super duper exciting. Definitely have a look at the roadmap. Looks like they're good on track. This looks like this project is going to be a wicked gem that we need to keep on our radar. As mentioned before, this gem is super duper early and it's not even out yet, because I'll be looking at gems that are not even out yet. This is one that can do super duper well. Really good 100x gem that is powered by Polkadot and is one to keep on our radar. They have like an investors whitelist. I think you can get in touch and tell them you're interested in a whitelist, which is exciting. So it's definitely one to keep on a radar. Okay, they have a Twitter and a Telegram, so you can get involved and get in touch on their Telegram and their Twitter. You have someone to talk to. They have been tweeting as well, so the engagement they've actually got some sort of they've been posting any sort of updates here. As you can see, this one was just 13th of August. This one was 10th of August. They're talking about milestones that they have coming up. 11th of August. Planning is bringing the future into the present. So that something. Okay, so you're updated on their Twitter. Transactions on a Ruby chain will require Ruby tokens as commission. 70% of Ruby DAO revenue will be used for repurchase and burning in the secondary market, which is really exciting. That will really help with the value of this gem. Okay, so guys, when you have time, definitely read it up on the Medium article as well, so you get a stronger understanding of everything that is going on. For example, the cross-chain privacy, the whole data monetization, you'll get a lot of information from here. And definitely, as mentioned before, look at the token economics, look at the roadmap, look at the components, okay? So you can understand what to expect as well as the roadmap. They look like they're right on track. So this is an exciting project to get involved with. And if you do want to get involved with, as mentioned before, it's super duper early. This gem's not out, but you can get involved by getting in touch with the team and filling in the investor whitelist, okay? Perfect, guys. I just wanted to put this on your radar. I'll definitely be catching up with you guys soon with more gems. And yeah, see you later. Bye!